By the way, I actually know a kiwi, and apparently kangaroos are fucking evil as hell, so this is actually in character for them.
What did you just do?
You can chain
You found
bite.
a thing.
You can chain bite, it's kind of weird. But it will come in handy, like, a lot, especially when
Wow,
I'm just
you
surrounded.
killed them. They're dead.
Yeah.
Just one boomerang shot kills those things. Wow, that's amazing.
Yep.
It looked like they would take more than that.
Oh, well, yeah. So this is pretty much the end of the first episode. We're just gonna roll right to the second one. It'll probably just be a fade in and fade out. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, you're probably
You're climbing.
I don't know. I'm not sure how I'm gonna edit this video. It's gonna be dumb though. So if you couldn't tell, the lizards can dodge bites, but they can't dodge boomerangs. I don't understand.
And the
either.
kangaroos are just useless.
Pretty much. I mean, that's most of the enemies until you get to like the 3rd and 4th stages, or the 4th and 5th, whatever. Because this does the whole. Every world is divided up into 3 levels, and a boss.
Why is it glowing now?
Why is what glowing? Oh, because I got.
The top right.
Yeah, I don't fucking know. I got 1.
This is so
You
weird
100% this game.
I don't remember shit.
What are you collecting right now?
Oh my god! Hi. I don't know what
A
hardcore mode
kangaroo
means.
and a lizard at the same time.
I don't know what
They're dead.
hardcore mode means. I'm not even gonna try. Actually, can someone be my Google slave real quick and look that up for me?
Alright. Alright. Let me look it up.
Okay, so something important to note: I can't use
I can-
boomerangs to break the cages. Gonna talk to Julius here.
Yes. This just might do.
G'day, Julius.
Oh, hello, Ty. You know this golden cog just might be perfect for my latest invention.
Latest invention.
Cogulacious. Boom,
Hardcore
ragged
doesn't change the run aside from not being able to
the
do
freaking
death warps
pop-
for any category.
Shut up! Shut up!
And it also removed keyboard movement for Outback. So in any percent, you just lose 2 to 3 minutes
That's
over only
speedrun.
2 levels.
No. I meant, what does hardcore mode do to my game? That's for speedruns. That's completely different.
You're on, mate.
I notice I only have 1 life. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. It probably does, let's be honest.
This is the original, right?
Yeah, this is the first game. Cools, can you do it? I know you're at a computer.
Yeah.
And Chalice is on her phone.
I'm looking. I'm looking it up.
Gosh dang it. I have to come back. I hate you all.
Why is there a Ty the Tasmanian double wiki?
Tiger.
I mean,
And because there's 4 games. You can't keep the lore straight between 4 games. It's impossible.
there's
What's
4 of
the
them.
game called? Hero what?
Ty the Tasmanian Tiger. Do not use the word hero at all.
I don't see anything.
And what's the mode called?
Hardcore mode.
Hardcore.
There we go. Dead.
Oh. Found it.
What is it?
Yep, you have 1 life to go into the. You have 1 life.
I just have 1 life? Does it game over? Like, if I game over,
In
will it...
hardcore. Nope. Let me read it. In hardcore mode, we removed all bonus lives and respawning.
Oh my
You
god.
literally have 1
Okay.
life to get
So
through the
it's
game.
okay, so saying we removed, which means it's hardcore mode is unique to Steam. Noted. I will
Wait,
keep
wait,
I
hold
will
on.
keep a normal game parallel
Wait,
with this one.
If you do happen to lose a life, we helpfully reset your save game and restart your adventure.
Yep. So I'm gonna use that third save slot. Get all the. Oh.
Hey, isn't it funny?
Yeah. I'm gonna be. It looks like I'm gonna be 100%ing this 3 times. By the way, if I die once, we're going on normal mode and we're never coming back.
You're welcome for suggesting you do this.
I hate all of you. Yay, I got the second boomerang! This is actually a big deal.
It's like drawing Excalibur.
Well, I wouldn't have believed it if I didn't see it with
How did you get there?
Bruh,
You
it's
actually found
it's-
the second boomerang.
2 boomerangs.
There's no time to sit
Them
down and
teleporting
feel all
cock.
pleased with yourself. You're gonna have to put that new rang to use. You see, I had a thunder egg I was gonna give you, but a bunch of frills stole it. You'll have to take
What did he-
on to get it back.
I don't like this cockatoo. This cockatoo's a bunch of bullshit.
That's a gator. Oh yeah, no one can see the achievement progress. I don't want to do that. That fucking gator is too close. Too close for comfort. I did it. That was an extra life. I.e., it doesn't exist anymore.
You don't have any more lives.
Nope, 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 nope. You are not even getting close. I demand that you do not. I did it. Did
Oh,
the
look,
thing.
an egg.
It's not just any egg, it's a thunder egg. No, I don't understand the difference.
Well,
either.
you can just play the game off screen, and if you die, you can start
No,
from
that's what I said.
there.
I'm gonna play a parallel save just in case. Oh man.
Well,
this
it'd be
is-
quite an achievement if you do beat the game on hardcore mode.
There's a sizable chance I might, because like I said, I did 100% the game, so I at least know what the answers to all the puzzles.
Waste of time. You seem to have learned a thing or two.
Oh, yeah, it's a
And this game isn't like frightfully
You
difficult.
know, there's one other thing.
Well, at least you can understand the accent.
I don't know if you're ready for it yet.
Like I said, I'm
At
friends
least
with
this
the.
new
Like I said,
mode
I'm
gives
friends
you
with
a
the Kiwi.
challenge.
A mate of mine who knows a
Yeah, at least you know what the challenge is. But no, I have, like I said, I'm friends with the Kiwi, and even though their accents differ slightly, they're not that different, and he's still perfectly
Oh, but they hate each
comprehensible.
other. The Kiwis and the Australians?
Yeah, I don't understand. The Prison Islanders
friends
and the
with a bird?
Kiwis. Yeah.
Safe as houses, mate. See if you can glide across this gap.
I do like to make fun of them, though. I occasionally call New Zealand Prison Island's little brother.
You ripper!
Really? It didn't even show the finish animation of him landing.
After all,
Yeah.
just as well I didn't call for an ambulance.
I didn't
Oh,
need an
the
ambulance, you
animation.
fucker.
You made it through with flying colours. And as a little extra bonus, a stopwatch will appear near the start.
Okay. What's that for?
What do you think?
The racetrack. You can race the clock to win another thunder egg.
Right. I'll give that a go later.
Why don't you just give me the Thunder Egg instead of making me race for it?
Let's
Yeah,
head back to
seriously.
the Bly station.
We're just gonna stand here for a second. Oh no, there we go. Just gonna stand here.
What does
All
that
right,
give you?
guys, welcome back to the first stage of Tie. We're gonna play the game again. That's all it did, by the way. All it does is teleport you to the start, and there's no way back. So just be careful. Yeah, he's I'm sick of that damn thing talking. Oh God, I better not die if I fail this race. I won't fail, but just knowing it's a possibility.
Looks like you're doing pretty good so far.
Hey, get through those rings like 60 man, Superman 64.
You won.
Just because it has rings doesn't mean it's comparable to Superman 64.
I almost called him 64 man.
64 man?
I reckon you've earned this. Oh, you beauty.
So he had that thing the whole time, and he's just had to win a race. That's why.
Wait,
Why
hold
did
on.
you just
He
give it
doesn't
to
know what
him?
a Thunder Egg is. He didn't know what a Thunder Egg is.
Oh wait, I lied.
Yeah,
There is a
one.
way back. Cool. Oh, there is fall damage, so I'm not gonna do that again. Oh man, I have to piss.
Well, you have to conserve health really bad.
To be fair, I haven't taken any damage yet, so I'm doing a pretty decent job so far.
Well, he did take fall damage.
I didn't take any fall damage. I'm just saying there is fall damage. Out of my way, nerds. For I am at the top of the food chain. Actually, what am I missing? I'm missing exactly 25 opals. And what else? What else? Find 5 bilbies and lower the platforms. Okay. So I'm missing 3. I'm pretty sure they're all grouped up next to each other. In this one alcove. You'll see in a second. By the way, feel free to play along. Oh yeah! Watch this. This is dumb. Going Super Saiyan. I don't think either of my guests are paying attention.
Strobe lights.
What the?
That is
What
what
did that
happens
give
when
you?
you
What was
charge
that?
a bite. I don't understand. I don't think I ever
What's the
find it
point of
useful,
that?
ever. The point is whatever you want it to be.
Oh, there they are.
There we go. By the way, I can glide with 2 boomerangs, if you couldn't tell.
Yeah, how does that work?
I don't fucking know. I'm not a Tasmanian.
Well, they're kind of
Tiger.
shaped like wings, so.
They're vaguely shaped like wings, and they have aerodynamic property. Ergo, you can use them as wings. Oh yeah, I need one more cog. I hope it's around here, cause
I like how you have to throw away one boomerang to pick up a cog.
yeah.
It's like don't have a hand free, so I'm just gonna throw one away while I pick up this cog, and then it'll come back to me.
Hey, look, an extra light that you don't have.
I'm pretty sure that was just some. I don't know.
At least you can swim and you don't die when you go into the water.
Oh, I'm pretty sure water would be much more rare if I could die to that. Ooh, I found the last cog. Cool. Cool beans. Hey, Croc. You're gonna be nice to me, right? I doubt it. Let's just be careful. No,
Oh, Croc? I remember Croc.
No. Ty. Hey, friend, thank you. Oh my god, don't do that.
Wow.
You're almost gonna die.
Alright, so that's 10. I believe there's 10 cogs per stage, and a new boomerang is 15. So that means if you collect all the cogs in a world, you'll get 2 boomerangs. I have no idea what this is. Oh, yeah.
So what, you get 3 boomerangs?
What is this invincibility?
I actually have no idea what this is. I think this is like the only time I see it ever.
Is this invincibility?
No, I don't fucking know.
Oh,
what it
he
is.
hates water.
Yep. Or I might have run out. I don't know.
You ran out of the juju.
Man, I want to play TAC now.
That
Now that I'm like
bad effort, Ty.
a PS2 away from playing PS2 games, I want to play TAC so bad. I still have the game. Fucking no one's heard of it, and I'm super sad. Actually, I take that
I
back.
hate
It got
How juju
I
is.
just gotta say I hate this cockatoo.
yeah.
I know what tack is.
I love TAC so much. Like they even picked.
Wasn't there a TV show of it?
That was a TV show for a little bit. I don't understand why. And it
I
wasn't.
think it sucks.
It wasn't. Yeah, no, it wasn't terrible at first, but then it just went downhill really quickly.